Hello and welcome to Volkswagen Van Centre in Liverpool. Today I'll be showing you around this approved used Volkswagen vehicle. Introducing the 2024 Volkswagen Transporter T32 Kombi Highline, finished in the desired candy white paintwork. This long wheelbase does come complete with a 2-litre diesel engine, making it well equipped for those covering extra miles. Alongside just a couple of delivery miles on the clock, you do also have enhanced visibility with your LED headlights, alongside a stylish finish with your 17-inch alloy wheels, and of course your front and rear parking sensors to assist in those tighter parking spots. You do even have your twin power sliding doors for easy access. Moving into your rear load area, there is a generous amount of room with several load lashings to secure any luggage or larger items, with interior lighting just above for improved visibility. Stepping into the rear seating area, you can see the full cloth trim, providing a comfortable experience for all travelling passengers, with your fitted ISOFIX points and even load lashings just below. Again, the power sliding doors do add extra convenience when entering or exiting the vehicle. The front interiors offers a stylish look with a full leather multifunctional steering wheel with access to the central infotainment system, which I will demonstrate further in the video, and of course your 3 comfortable front seats with 1 dual and a single driving seat, housing a pull down armrest for further comfort when travelling. The steering wheel offers a seamless navigation around the vehicle and does even house your adaptive cruise control and its speed limiter to assist out on the open road, keeping you a safe distance, with of course your options to navigate around your cockpit screen, displaying all your vital driving information and data. Moving across, you do have your app connect with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for quick access to all your vital driving apps and preferred audio, with a whole range of radio stations for endless entertainment. You do also have all your general settings alongside your vehicle information, so you can easily keep an eye on the overall condition, with of course your front and rear parking sensors being activated once you do pop the car into reverse to assist when you are in those tighter parking spots. You do also have your main climate dials located just below, including your air conditioning and even your power outlets and handy cup holder just to your left. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. If you would like any further information regarding this vehicle, please give our team a call on 0151 515 2904 or inquire online now.